Ain't no outro, ain't no intro. That was supposed to be the intro, but whatever. I'll say it again when it's time. I'll say it right when it's time. Anyway, the pan is off. I just got to drain and flip it upside down, let it run out. I'm going to clean up the bottom of that. In the meantime, show you what I found. We'll start around on this side, on the chain side. All right. Hello. We got some air conditioning in here. All right, that's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to look like this. For those who haven't seen a lower timing chain for 12 valve vr6, I've also seen these busted before too. All right, someone just puts the wrong bolt like in there, like a longer one, and they're not realizing, and right through the top it goes. And oh yeah, new parts. So we're gonna start with this this oil pump. All right, here's another questionable thing. I've never seen oil pan bolts that kind of look like that. I've seen the ones that look like, I'll show you, like this. All right, it's got the little washer on it, but these, M's is different. Moving right along. I don't know, I probably would want to knock more crud off of it. I don't think I am, because it's just hanging on there at this point. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the pan stuff, do the pump, the gasket. That's gonna go all back up, and from there we're gonna start getting over to the chains. All right, and I might do SIA before that. Because I got to clean up this whole area. All right, so now there ain't no outro, no intro. Okay. Old oil pump is off, new oil pump is on. I mean it's on. And cleaned up this oil pan. It's not perfect, but it's, I mean, miles from where it was. And that baby's back up. All right, about to tackle the chains next. So, let me swing it back the other way. Yeah, I'll tackle the timing next, and then get to the crack pipe, SAI, and after that we just done suspension stuff. So, I'll show you the next one. Ain't no outro. Ain't no intro. See, we got our timing plate bar gun looking thing. Yeah, just assist with the timing. You don't really need it, but it just helps. You know, if you want to get it perfect or whatever. It's, I mean, it's a chain, you know, so it's pretty much perfect. What we found, pretty much, you know, some rickety kind of stuff. See right here. Just a handful of washers. I believe this is the wrong bolt as well. And this whole mount is being held by this one. No intro. All right, chains, valve cover, timing cover, all that stuff is donezo and back together. Timing's on point, no more slack in the chains. So things is gonna move just smoothly, but I remember I touched on this earlier. This is all right. For starters, one of the bolts is just not the accurate bolt, right? That one right there, that one. All right, the other one is stripped out. All right, and this other one is also not accurate. That's not factory. All right, see there's a whole bunch of washers on there, and it's like kinked to the side. So that bad boy's like jammed in there. Low key, high key, don't really want to fuck with it, because if that breaks off in the head, I'm gonna be in a world of fucking annoyance, you know, and that's more than what I really want to do right now. You know, I don't want to have to replace a head. you know, or have to drill it and do all other nonsense. So we're gonna throw a helicoil in here and hope that that's gonna tighten all this shit up, because this is kind of wild, you know. And eventually your motor mounts are just gonna keep shaking it and until something just gives out, and then slam this whole, well, I mean, there's still a dog mount, so it's not gonna fall entirely, but it's gonna be slumped. So I'm gonna throw heel coils in here. All of these threads are washed, bro. The vertical ones and the horizontal ones. Probably not the best view. There you go. You can see how, you can see a little bit. It's just not happy down there. So, like I said, man, helicoils is probably our best bet right now. And I'm gonna do that first before I tackle the shit on the front. But other than that, it's kind of been going okay. It's just been fucking dirty, you know. It's a lot of cleaning. Clean the back side of this jammy. All right, pressure plate, clutch side, top and bottom. Not the prettiest, and the oil pan. It's just there's no other way to know if you actually, you know, if it's gonna leak or if it's old leak or a new leak or anything like that. But I hit everything perfectly. Anyway, ain't no outro. I'm gonna take care of this and we'll hit you back with the next one. Ain't no intro. Plan B. I'm actually gonna fucking cut the shit out. Now, pray and hope that this fucking bolt that's stuck in there comes the fuck out. So it's the only way this shit is gonna work. Gunk City. All right, let's see what happens. Ain't no outro. You gotta be careful when you let work on your car or what you're doing to your car. You gotta be conscious of it, because issues like these, man, are sometimes throwaways. I've seen people throw away whole bills, whole cars, perfectly good situations because of kind of fucked situations like this, you know. And it's not easily accessible. This is not something you could have done with the engine in the engine bay. You know, here's another one. Check this out. I feel like I've had to go over every single nut and bolt on this old engine just to double, triple check someone else's work. I finished trying to get this bolt in there. I'm hoping that they didn't use JB Weld or marry it in there, because I already cut it. And try to get all this buildup. That's not engine right there. That's all buildup. So we'll deal with that next. You know, outro.